Welcome back, guys. RevTech here. Today I've got a project that I've been wanting to try for a while now, and I'm finally able to kind of get started on this. We're going to be taking apart one of my PS4 controllers and attempting to do our very first mod to it. I'm essentially just going to be adding in the clicky triggers for both the L1, R1, L2, R2. And then also going to be incorporating clicky action buttons as well. And then I'm also going to be working on putting a USB-C port in it rather than the micro USB. I have no idea how this is going to go, but there is only one way to find out. So let's do it. So I'm doing my first mod on a PS4 controller. Got it ripped up and everything. Had to clean it out because, being an old controller and stuff, there was gunk and stuff, but this scuff marks essentially are just gonna have to be there. Gonna replace the faceplate here with this kind of scarlet red faceplate, and then I also, see if I can get a good angle here, I also have tactile switches for all the controllers or all the normal buttons. And then, let's put it down here, Jesus. And then I have them for the triggers as well. So it's gonna be pretty cool. Get you guys an update on when I'm finished. Update. I have the clicky faceplates on, or the control module essentially on. I have the triggers on. Boom, those are good. Now it's time to get the back plate finished and put together, and then hi Tony. Now I'll get the back plate put together, and then I have to get the everything wired up, and then we'll go from there. I hope you guys all enjoyed that kind of hyperlapsed update or video in general on me modding a PS4 controller for the first time. This was definitely a crazy experience. It was a cool experience. You know, I've never really have done that before, and being able to do that with a controller actually gave me a lot more confidence with the electronics work that I love to do. In the future, I do plan on taking this apart again, and replacing the joysticks with some TMR non-stick drift joysticks, so that way I don't have to worry about replacing my controller again. And honestly, I plan on doing that with like all the controllers that I have on the bookshelf there, um, and even some of the ones that I have on my desk here as well. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Please be sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more electronics kind of hobbies and projects like this. So this was RevTech. I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.